Alrighty, let's see what the DT80 says. We're gonna same thing. Compress it. Does that. Alright, we're gonna measure main. I'm sorry, boost. Sorry, that. That's not making it at all. DD main's not making it either. Check again. Nope, not making it. And then let's check boost, just in case. Nope, they're all not making it. So we're gonna have to split this board. Alright, and let's check these guys in diode mode. So in diode mode, it's not shorted, that's BAT, BCC, VDD. And then VDD main is present. That's good. And we have VDD boost on the back of the board. That's present too. So it's not a short on those main power rails. So yeah, first step's gonna be splitting this board and see where it takes us. So one of the things I've been practicing more on is how to sandwich this board together without using a preheater, just the good old-fashioned heat gun. Big shout out to Heidi Layton for working with me on this and getting me to practice this more. As you can see, Wi-Fi, it's not grayed out, which is fantastic. Then if we go here, modem firmware is present. And then if we do the star pound 06 pound test, we get IMEI, so this is